Yes, Bangkok Christian Hospital. Today's video should be very interesting. I have to go to the hospital again today. So by the end of the video, we'll know what's wrong with me and you'll know how much it costs. But I'm not going back to the Bangkok Hospital like I did the last video. I thought I'd show you a different place. We're gonna go to the Bangkok Christian Hospital and I hope I don't get bad news. Ready? As Ace Ventura would say, alrighty then. Oh, hi there. So do you want the good news or the bad news first? When someone asks you that, what do you normally choose? I always like to hear the bad news first. So, the bad news is that I think I might have a broken toe. When I was making another one of these videos, well, I slipped and fell. It's pretty tough to walk. The good news is that it means you get to see another hospital. I did a video from the Bangkok Hospital and it's got like 160,000 views, which is crazy to me. But apparently people like to see hospital tours here in Bangkok. So I'm gonna go to a different hospital today. This is one that was recommended to me by a friend. It should be cheaper than the Bangkok Hospital. I'm gonna limp my way over and by the end of the video, we'll know if I have a broken toe or not, and you'll know how much it costs to get that checked. Let's go.
Nobody knows the trouble I see. Nobody knows my sorrows.
Almost there. In case you couldn't tell, I'm pretty much a total wimp when it comes to this sort of stuff. So just bear with me. All right, much better. Ready to go inside and let's see what happens. Bangkok Christian Hospital is one of the oldest hospitals in all of Bangkok. I'm going out on a limb here, but I'm gonna say it might be 70 years old. It's situated on Silom Road and conveniently located in a cool neighborhood right in the heart of Bangkok. Although the hospital is old, it's in fine shape with parts that are quite modern, and they offer a wide variety of world-class medical services. It definitely doesn't have the resort feeling that Bangkok Hospital had in my other video, but my first impression was totally fine, and I was happy to be here and saving some money. It felt like a hospital. The one thing missing, though, is the grand piano player entertaining patients. Remember that guy? That was a really nice touch at Bangkok Hospital. Oh, wait, what's this? Well, they have a grand piano, but no one hired to play. They do have some really cool old hospital tools of the trade and vintage equipment. And a bench with a CPR dummy? I can't resist. Hold on, man, I gotcha. You'll have to forgive me for the shaky footage on this video. I was told they didn't want me filming in there, so I was only able to grab a few stealth shots during my visit. Let's check it out. Yeah, I fall down. Yeah, and so very painful. Yesterday was very, very bad. Today, not so bad.
Okay, you been here before or first time?
First time. After an easy check-in process, they let me know that I would be going up to the second floor to the orthopedics section, and that was where the doctor would be seeing me.
And you have allergies or something?
No allergies, no. This one?
Yes.
Hello. This toe, big toe, I'm not sure if broken or not broken. Yesterday, I don't know what happened, but the pain comes back a lot and very difficult to walk.
You see? Okay, maybe issue compression when you walk a lot.
Yes.
Yeah, walk.
And then come back again? Okay. So this way? Follow him?
Yes.
The doctor sent me for an X-ray on the toe, and the gentleman that took me also spoke great English.
X-ray?
Oh, X-ray department down here? Okay, Cap. Oh, first pay? Okay, Cap. He let me know that I'd have to pay for the X-ray first, so he walked me over to the cashier. Let's see how much an X-ray costs. 800? Is this for the X-ray cost? 800? 800 for X-ray?
ใช่ค่ะX-ray 600 baht and service charge 200
X-ray 600, service charge 200. Okay, everyone from the nurses to the orderlies to this cashier speaks incredible English at this hospital. She processed me quick, gave me the invoice, and we headed down for the X-ray. Just to clarify, the cost for the X-ray itself was 600 baht, and the hospital put a 200 baht charge on top for a total of 800 baht. Not too shabby. Now let's go see if I have a broken digit. What's that? Oh no, just need no grab. Here. I wasn't able to video record the actual X-ray, so let's just fast forward right to the results. So not broken?
Not broken. All one have a calcification, then it hard no do like that. Hard no do. When you walk, the pressure of your shoe, pressure to the skin, and then get it inflammation.
So I got the good news, no broken toe. I'll explain to you a little bit more about what it was when we get outside the hospital. For now, back up to the cashier. Let's find out how much this cost and get out of here.
Doctor fee and medicine 1,580 baht.
1,500 total?
Yes, total.
Okay,ครับ
Receipt.
ขอบคุณครับ
Okay, thank you.
ขอบคุณครับ
Medicine number 4 นะคะ
ใช่ครับ
Mr. Parker,
Yes ครับ
Mr. Parker, do you have any allergy?
No allergy, no.
This one, anti-inflammation and pain, take one tablet after breakfast.
One tablet after breakfast until finished.
And this one, they apply in the pain area 3 times a day.
3 times a day?
Yes.
Okay,ครับ
Thank you.
Alright, ขอบคุณครับ Well, I don't have a broken toe after all, proving yet again what a wimp I really am. What happened was, apparently there was a calcium buildup from an old injury I had on that toe. Funny story, when I was a little kid, I had what they called a 6th toe, and it was a bone that was sprouting off my big toe's bone, and I had an operation to get it removed. And this doctor says that apparently there's a calcium buildup that's causing inflammation and all of the pain, but no broken toe, so that's good. And I will say that the trip here to the Bangkok Christian Hospital was really good. I'll come back to this one again. The cost was 800 baht. I think that was for the X-ray. That's about $25. And then 1,580 baht, which included the doctor's fees plus the prescription medicine. So about another $50 there. Anyway, really happy with this place, happy with the service. I wish they had a grand piano guy working the keys there, but they didn't. Subscribe for more fun and informative videos from Thailand. I got some really good stuff coming next week. I'm leaving Bangkok for a bit. Stay tuned.